Assalamu alaikum friends, we are back with another video. We will talk about Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Past rumors have claimed that Samsung is working on no less than 4 versions of the upcoming Galaxy Note 10, 2 of which will have 5G built in. Their model number leaked recently, and now thanks to responsibility reliable tipster, we know that the company is expected to call the bigger Note 10. So ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself for the Galaxy Note 10 Pro. The tipster don't share the additional information, but common sense says this will be the model with 6.75 inches QHD plus Dynamic AMOLED display and 5 cameras on the back. It also stands to reason that the 5G version of Pro will go by Galaxy Note 10 Pro 5G. On the other hand, the non-Pro version of Note 10 is expected to come with 6.28 inches QHD plus Dynamic AMOLED display and 3 rear cameras. Both should be powered by Snapdragon 855 chipset or Exynos 9820, depend on the market. So guys, hope you enjoy this video. We'll meet in next video. Stay tuned and bye bye.